Welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss. Setting the vibration in Telegram calls to short. If you prefer a quick and subtle vibration for your Telegram calls, this full guide is for you. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. Step 2. Now, locate the 3 stacked lines in the top left corner and give them a tap. This will open the menu options. Step 3. From the menu, select Settings. Once you're in the settings, scroll down until you find Notifications and Sounds and tap on it. Step 4. Keep scrolling until you reach the Calls section. Tap on it to access the call settings. Step 5. Within the call settings, find the option labeled Vibrate and give it a tap. Step 6. Now you'll see different vibration options. Select Short to set the vibration in Telegram calls to a shorter duration. By following these simple steps, you can easily customize the vibration duration for Telegram calls, ensuring that you receive quick and subtle vibrations for incoming calls. We hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful in setting the vibration in Telegram calls to short. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials and guides. Thank you for watching, and enjoy a personalized and subtle calling experience in Telegram.